Hello everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial of a 3D slicer tool. For correcting some serrations and extrusions in your segmented structure, you can use the smoothing tool. This tool is really easy to use. You just need to select the segment, don't change any setting, and press apply. By doing so, the system will automatically smooth the whole structure. But another way is to use this option, edit in 3D view. And by checking the box, you can correct and smooth your structure in every place, every angle of your structure that you want. And make sure to smooth all the protrusions of the structure. As you can see, I am focusing on these parts of the ventricle that have more protrusions than all other sides. And in this way, your work will be more delicate and precise. And that's it. This is the whole process of using the smoothing tool. Thanks for watching this one again. See you soon.